What's up, guys? So, I got 21 views in one day and 2 subscribers. That's amazing. I hope you like my content and everything. And I'm trying my best and for you guys to enjoy my videos. I'm trying to become a YouTuber. That's always my dream. But you guys can subscribe and watch my videos and enjoy them. And thank you very much. That would be appreciated. And right now, I am 142 stars. Yep. And that's amazing, guys. I have my own YouTube channel that I started. So, let's get into the video. Friend over. Let's see here. Oh yeah, and I just posted something on Shorts. I don't know if you've seen it, but you should see it. It's about my dog. Which you see it too. It's funny and yep. I'm gonna play some. Still have that. Okay, let's start the video. Alright, so now we're gonna do this, like, we're gonna try and shoot him a headshot, only headshot. Let's try that. It depends on what gun we pick. Let's see if we can, or I doubt it. Let's see here. That's the settings for my settings. It actually, you guys should see it. I posted it on my YouTube channel. Oh man, well, does that count? I mean, I did that. Check back to the video and see if I did something. If I did, then that counts as a headshot. Just that yellow. Oh my god. Oh well. Alright, let's try. Got the. I'm gonna post my Help Wanted 2. So, not just Free Fire, but I post Help Wanted 2 VR. So, if you guys want me to see that want me to play that, check it out, and I'm gonna upload it later when I'm done with this, I think. And so you guys can check it out and everything. If you guys are bored, yeah, guys. So yeah, just remember to subscribe and like video. Let's get this started, and yeah, like I said, just go and check my Help Wanted 2 VR, which I'm gonna upload later. But yep. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much. But that's not the end of the video yet. So right now, what I'm gonna do right now is, let's see. We're gonna invite someone. So we're gonna go to custom. Gonna join somebody random. Let's see here. So we got this too. Oh, and there I have. Yep. Maybe at 9. Oh, thank God. I'm better than him. Yeah. Yep, 3, 4. Yep, he did. Alright, guys. I just warmed up with Lone Wolf. That's my warm up. And right now, we're gonna do a 1v1 with him. I don't know how he plays though. Oh, I guess we're supposed to play him, huh? Let's see what gun. Let's see who's gonna win. If you think I'm gonna win, subscribe. But if you think he's gonna win, like. Let's see who's
First blood.
okay. I don't know what's wrong. Okay. Let's see what. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's gonna win. But I have no idea though. He is more better than me. He has more skills. Yeah, he's more. He has 9 turtles. So let's see. Let's see. Can I headshot him? Let's see.
First blood.
That's some great settings. Okay, let's see here. Guys, my sister just was here. Another headshot. Bro, start running like it's here.
First blood.
Okay, guys. guys, I'm ending the video because it's gonna be a really long video, and you know what? I'm gonna upload that Final Fantasy we are having to. So you gotta be subscribed so you guys can see the video. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Okay? Let me just. I'm gonna win.
First blood.
So you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, hit the like button. Okay. Peace out, guys. Remember, check out the video that I'm gonna post for the Hell Wanted 2. Bye, guys. Wonderful day, and please subscribe. That helps me out a lot. And watch my other content. I posted settings of my yeah. So you guys check out the video. Okay, well, bye, guys.